Hi, good afternoon. This is Hitendra Gujarati from Ahmedabad, from Gujarat, from India. Today I am going to talk about my community, that is India and Indian. India is world's largest democracy, second largest populated country containing about 1/5 of world's population. As a democracy, India consists of 29 states and 7 union territories organized as a federal structure, controlled, governed and run by Constitution of India. India is as complex as European continent, if not more. One can see amazing diversity and complexity in India in geography, in religion, in climate, in languages, in culture, in attire, in food habits, in dwellings, in physical appearances, and also at the income level. Indeed, India is amazing country, giving message unity among diversity. Thank you.